Today we are going to do a long ride for Hill Park restaurant. Actually, when you wanted to go to this Hill Park restaurant, you need to ensure that you select bike, motorcycle. You need to select motorcycle on your Google Maps. Otherwise, it would take you on an tall road. And on the toll road, as you know that in that toll road, Rajiv Gandhi toll road or something like that toll road, they don't entertain motorcycles, so you will have to return to this place again. So please ensure that you select a Google, you need to select motorcycle at all times, okay? So this Hill Park restaurant is located actually 1 hour 23 minutes away from me, because actually I am going in bike. This would take such a long time. So in the meanwhile, I just wanted to show you all my apparels and other things which I have purchased from Royal Enfield. I should say, like, this is really awesome. The helmet is really awesome. Like, only drawback is like I'll not be able to install the camera on my chin. That is the only problem. And I don't want to waste doing drilling and doing M-sealing, all these things, because this camera looks really good. But anyway, I wanted to give you some content, so I have mounted the camera on my cheek. That is the best possible way where I can do recording now, as of now. So bear with me and let me know if I'm doing good, okay? 287 kilometers and my tank is gone to end, so I don't want to take any risk. Let me go ahead and fill some petrol. And I went ahead and installed this Royal Enfield Himalayans. I went ahead and installed this Royal Enfield Himalayans knuckle guard, like, because I just there are at least 75% of them says that they have installed what do you call it, ASRBs or another one, what do you call, that is the famous one, the costly one. They have installed that, but everyone and they all suggest, like, don't go for Royal Enfield this one knuckle guard, because it won't, just one hit it will become loose. That's what they say. But I went ahead and installed this because, like, I wanted to go with whatever the original thing or something like that. ASRB is like, I'm not sure how good it is, and I don't. The other thing is, like, I don't like the style. I don't like how it looks. That's one thing. So that's why I went ahead and installed this Royal Enfield original thing. I know it will make some problem for me, but let me face it. Let me see what problem really happens. So then I will let you know, because I don't see any single review like for Royal Enfield knuckle guard. Everyone says how to install. So like in company, like I purchased it from Royal Enfield Eragara showroom, and they installed it for me. They installed it free for me. Installing is not going to be a problem for whatsoever, and installing is also quite very easy, because like you just have to screw just 2 screws and then it will get tightened up. That's all. So apart from that, the Royal Enfield jacket is also really good. That has a few. I have also posted a video on that. So kindly go ahead and check the video, so then you will know, like, what all the features it has. Apart from that, I have purchased a Royal Enfield gloves for riding gloves, which is also really nice. This gloves is really useful, you know. Not only it is a riding gloves, it is also another hand tools. Like when I wanted to tighten something, when I purchased an IKEA table, which I have to install it myself. So then I was not able to tighten the screws, because like the screw was so tight, the screw was not going inside. So then I tried different option with a towel and a different screwdriver, and I even tried with that what do you call that automatic screwdriver. Even with that I was not able to tighten that. It was so tight, and then finally what I did is like my father, so he suggested me to use this gloves. So then I tried using this gloves. This is so nice. See, there is no rubber pad, but it has some good cushioning, or I don't know what it is what is inside, but it is giving me good grip, gives me good feel. So this is really worth it, and maybe it will not work in the rain. It is not a warm gloves, or it is not some other gloves. It is just a normal gloves. It is a riding gloves. That's it. Nothing about it. It's riding gloves. Nothing about it. It will save you in case of anything happens. Apart from that, nothing will happen. Okay, that's about it. That's about this gloves. If you're able to see the boot, this is the boot which I am wearing. This is also really nice. I have purchased a full boot instead of half boot. So this boot is like, it is not a gum boot, but it is a riding boot, wherein it is a waterproof boot, and it costed me around somewhere around 4,500 or 5,000 or something. So then I'm so happy with what I have purchased. Okay. I feel like I'm wearing my Eid dress, or Diwali dress, or Christmas dress. Like, I feel like I'm wearing that, because like I'm so happy with my new apparels and other things. I'm so happy with what I have purchased. If I have completed this ride, and if I don't have any problem with my top box or panels, then I think I'm good to go for a long ride. Because like if this ride has lot of speed breakers, hell a lot of speed breakers. This ride will have a hell a lot of speed breakers. The roads will not be that good. Okay, there are a lot of problems in this road. So that is why I'm saying, if I completed this ride without any problem, then the bike is good for a long ride. Okay, I need to take right, left. I thought we are going to go to Anantagiri Hills. So this is not Anantagiri Hills. This is something else. So actually right now I have placed the mic on the right side of my mouth, near my mouth. So hopefully I'll not have any huffing noise. Royal Enfield Himalayan is awesome. The most awesome thing is I'm able to record everything, hopefully.
Trust me guys, this restaurant, if you are in Hyderabad, definitely you got to visit this place. This is one of the best place for Sunday breakfast, Saturday or Sunday breakfast. This is best place because you get to see lot of awesome imported motorcycles, and all the motorcycles, you will be able to see all the riders here. Sometimes on Sunday morning, definitely everyone will hit this place, and this is an awesome place. And moreover, the breakfast, it is pure vegetarian restaurant. It has got it has got one of the best vegetarian food here. I would always, whenever I go, I will start my breakfast with sambar, idli and vada. So that would cost around somewhere around 110 rupees, and then additional water bottle and then a coffee. That is what my breakfast would be always, because that is my favorite. Even if you ask my mother, from my childhood, that is my favorite food. So wherever I go, if it is a vegetarian restaurant, that is the one first thing which I will order. So that is my favorite food, so I ordered that. But you guys come here and you can taste a lot of different varieties of breakfast, vegetarian breakfast food, like puri, dosas and all these things. Everything is great and with the highest standard and quality. I definitely recommend this restaurant for everyone who wish to have a good morning breakfast, vegetarian breakfast, South Indian breakfast. I would suggest you to go here. Okay. Alright guys, so I have done with the vlog for today. So I hope you like this video. In case you like it, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great and wonderful day ahead. Bye.